In this visualization, we are going to practice compassion for someone you love, for yourself, and if you feel ready, for someone who has been difficult in your life. Compassion is something we can actually train. The more we practice it, the more naturally it moves through us. And that changes how we feel, how we relate to people, and how we carry our own pain. For the best experience, I recommend using headphones. Find a quiet space where you won't be interrupted. And the most important thing, keep your eyes closed throughout. This is a visualization, which means the images you create inside your own mind are doing the work. We'll be here for about 10 to 15 minutes. There is nothing to do except follow along and let yourself experience it. Whenever you're ready, close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through your nose and release through your mouth. One more time, breathe in and let it go. Just breathe naturally. Let your body settle. Let your jaw soften. Let your shoulders drop. When you feel ready, bring to mind someone you love. Someone whose presence feels safe and warm to you. Let them come naturally. Don't search, just allow. See them in front of you, close enough to see their face clearly. Look at them for a moment, the way you would if you had all the time in the world and nothing else needed your attention. Let yourself feel whatever is already there in your chest when you see them. Now, imagine reaching out and placing your hand over their heart. Or feel their hand resting in yours. Let the touch be gentle and fully present. From that place of connection, let these words move through you toward them. Say them silently and mean them. May you know that you are loved. May you be free from suffering. May you feel peace in your body and in your life. Again, may you know that you are loved. May you be free from suffering. May you feel peace in your body and in your life. Let the image of them gently soften. We're moving inward now. This time, see yourself, just you as you are right now in this moment. Look at yourself the same way you looked at your loved one, with that same patience, that same softness. Place your hand over your heart. Feel the warmth of your palm. Feel, if you can, the steady beat beneath it. This is the circle most of us find hardest. We give so freely outward, and we forget to turn it back toward ourselves. So just stay here for a moment. Let yourself receive what you are just giving. Let these words move through you now. May I know that I am loved. May I be free from suffering. May I feel peace in my body and in my life. Again, may I know that I am loved. May I be free from suffering. May I feel peace in my body and in my life. Take a breath here. If there is someone in your life with whom things have been hard, you can choose to bring them in now. If this doesn't feel right for you today, that's completely okay. You can simply stay with yourself or rest in the warmth of the first two circles. Follow what feels true for you. If you choose to continue, bring this person to mind. Not the conflict and not the story, just the person. See them as someone who has also suffered, who has also been afraid, who has also wanted to be loved and hasn't always known how. You're not excusing anything, you're just seeing them as human. If you can, meet their gaze for a moment. And if a gesture of touch feels possible, a hand extended, a hand received, let that come. Don't force it. Just see what's there. If you can, let these words move through you toward them. May you be free from suffering. May you find your way toward peace. May whatever is broken in you begin to heal. Once more, if you can. May you be free from suffering. May you find your way toward peace. May whatever is broken in you begin to heal. Take a slow breath in and release. Whatever you felt during this, whether it came easily or it was hard, it counts. Compassion isn't always comfortable. I want to acknowledge you for showing up for this today. It takes something to sit with yourself and with others in this way, and you did that. This visualization is something you can return to whenever you need it. The more you practice it, the more natural it becomes. Not just here with your eyes closed, but in your daily life, in how you see people, in how you treat yourself. Come back to it. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back.